As you know, the JABLOTRON 100 Plus system offers or has offered several types of control panels. These were and are the JA100K, JA101K, JA103K, JA106K and JA107K. We have already stopped selling the JA101K control panel, and it will no longer be available for sale. We plan to do the same with the JA106K control panel. We are aware of the fact that even though the JA106 control panel had its limitations today, especially that it did not support some new features, many of our installers still used it when they needed a control panel for a small installation in terms of parameters, but fully bus installation. Yes, it is true that a full bus installation with a JA103 control panel that had all 50 bus detectors was not possible. For this reason, and based on the feedback we received from you, we decided to come up with a control panel that covers the requirements of both, a small control panel in terms of parameters, and a full bus installation at the same time. Let me introduce you to the JA103K 7AH control panel. In the JA103K 7AH, we used plastic from the large JA107K control panel. The JA103K control panel board was placed in a large mounting box using a spacer. We kept the JA111R radio module holder. We have created space to accommodate a 7AH battery, which is the maximum permitted battery capacity to meet the standard. By the way, speaking of standards, the control panel is certified and meets the requirements of EN Grade 2 and Insert. The parameters are the same as those of the JA103K. As a reminder, these are up to 8 sections, up to 50 peripherals, this time really bus peripherals, up to 50 users, and up to 32 programmable outputs. Of course, the use of communicators remains a matter of course, whether it is LTE communicator JA194Y, GSM, GPRS communicator JA192Y. I believe that the main advantages and possible installations of this control panel are known to everyone, but let me summarize them. These panels are primarily suited for smaller installations, where a full bus installation is required, and thus require more backup power than the standard JA103K panel. They can therefore be used in single-family homes or smaller commercial premises. It is also possible to use this control panel in areas where there are frequent power outages, and it is necessary to have a control panel with a higher capacity backup battery in the building. Last but not least, the use of a large box makes it easier to arrange the bus installation inside the control panel. As I mentioned at the beginning, we are planning to discontinue the sale of the JA106K control panel. The JA100K, JA103K, JA103K 7AH and JA107K control panels will be included in the JABLOTRON 100 Plus system portfolio. The JA100K will remain the last panel that will not be facelifted and will not allow the installation of new bidirectional elements. However, I can promise you that next year we are preparing the unification of all control panels on the same platform, and all control panels will be on the same technological level.